Hey guys, how do we keep it dirty off-road? Welcome back to the channel, and this week's video we're back at the Bent 400, but this time we're gonna do the ride-along for the RAM RHO. I've been wanting to test drive this thing for a long time. Unfortunately, we couldn't do a test drive here, but we were able to do a ride-along with some professional drivers that were pushing these trucks to the limits. So sit back, relax as we check out this new inline six 540 horsepower truck and give you guys my impressions at the end. I like these wheels though, man. Like, compared to the standard Raptor wheels, I really prefer these wheels.
Standard, yeah.
Well, even the beat, no, I take that back. Comparing the Raptor beadlock wheels to these, I like these better.
Whatever it is.
But what I'm saying is, are they real beadlocks?
Yeah. They're just like the Raptor wheels. That's a beauty ring, and you can get the...
Oh, so that's what I'm saying. It's not beadlocked right now.
No, not right now. In fact, I don't think...
They would have some shit trying to sell them.
Does that affect
beadlocked already?
I wish they would have upgraded the suspension. Like, they're still using the same suspension in launch.
This is a Ford Ranger, you know, kind of, they didn't do it all the way. They did it
and this is sprung differently than the TRX, because the TRX, the front end is not that low.
This goes out in a minute and a half.
Yeah. Oh, this
I think the taillights are different too. They upgraded the taillights. Those are new. The RHO. Before they had like they had the little pod in the middle.
Suspension in the engine, not the taillights.
Don't lie. You care about how it's going to look when you go to Starbucks.
No. I'm not trying to be a Ford Lightning.
Get a text message. Gotta send that an email.
Dude, it's so quiet.
I know.
No, but like compared to the Raptor. I do like the steps for the rock sliders.
You can even reach up to that
handles for those four names.
That's higher than Josh's
on the air in 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, the tires alone
and
make
it's
it
not
higher.
built.
No, but I'm saying
Don't
the
worry
step,
about it.
Josh.
We can get it in
For him.
later.
I wonder where they're going to be going.
Copy.
I'm sure it's like some little thing out here
32
behind the
green.
apartment complex.
Okay. What do you got for
Yeah, they might have
tracking
like a
green? It's a
little
dead
tiny,
board.
Do you see how they're running the reservoir line
Have a good show,
on
everybody.
these?
Did the fronts get a reservoir?
Course is so chewed up right now. It's like, just look at how rough this course is.
Yeah, I saw you guys had a grader out there making it nice.
Oh no, it comes and goes. But just imagine your Raptor on the
Just
same.
hold back and let's
same
just,
terrain.
launch it, man.
You guys got regular Raptors or ours?
No, I got a modified Gen 1 with
right
mid-travel. And then he's got a Gen 3.
I had a Gen 1, 2012. Good truck.
Yeah. Solid truck.
Okay, you're not racing if you're not rubbing fenders. Come on, let's show this guy.
So what do the different modes do? Walk us through that. I mean,
So they're different. So we're running Baja mode, which would be the most aggressive mode. So what that controls is like the dampening control. They're electronically controlled shocks, and then the steering stiffens up the steering a little bit, and then the shift points, and all that. And then it releases the stability control a little bit to be able to get it sideways a little bit. And then all the obviously tow haul mode is like using engine braking and all that. Sport mode would be like soft suspension, but a little sportier steering. And then the mud sense no rocks, like 4 low stuff that gives you the slower speed stuff. But
Okay, well, this thing's supposed to have like 500 horsepower. I want to see you just kind of
540.
Yeah,
540?
Yeah.
So let's see you kind of
What do you guys air down to?
We have an air down now. We're like 45 psi right now. Like, I wish we could air down to 28 or something, make it a little nice, but we're literally at 45 psi, like street pressure right now. So
now this Versa TRX, is there any suspension changes?
they actually make some upgrades over the TRX on these. They did some, like the bottom out controls a little bit better in these.
Okay.
Plus, you're about 200 pounds lighter on the nose. So these, I love the TRX, but these actually handle better than the TRX.
Let's wait.
Obviously, the throttle response and everything's a little different with the.
How come the front end looks a little bit lower though?
because it is.
Yeah.
But just if you kind of launch it a bit, put on the brake and rub the engine up a little bit.
How are the?
Let's feel that torque. I guess what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. And what do you happen to know offhand what the travel?
It's right. I want to say, don't quote me exactly, but it's like 13.2 and a little over 14 in the rear, something like that. You guys good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Pull up. Seatbelts on. Let's go.
The truck coming, Steve.
helicopter coming.
Was that two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive?
So this is all-wheel drive. So that's just the 4 auto. So it doesn't have full, two-wheel drive mode. So that, but we're just 4 auto.
The way it handled the jump was nice. That was smooth.
Yeah. It likes that.
I was gonna say,
if you come out this morning when it was, for sure, yeah. I mean, it was obviously it's so tore up at the end of the day. We were carrying a lot more corner speed and stuff earlier when it was a lot smoother. Yeah, right now it's gnarly.
That was pretty good.
You guys are definitely digging down on the sand out there.
Yeah, I mean, like I say, we have 45 psi in the tires right now.
I kind of like it better when I'm driving. I'm not a good passenger, man.
I'm the same way.
I don't know if we would have gone that fast through that if you were driving.
No, because that Raptor's got to last me.
How many laps have you done today?
Oh man, hundreds. Like we've been non-stop all day.
Yeah.
That's impressive,
All right,
man. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, that way to the Big Ten.
I think that was right on the limit of what that truck should be doing.
It was definitely on the limit, but that wasn't bad. That was actually really good.
Well, he's experienced with the course too, so.
I think he gave it quite a bit extra too.
Yeah.
He gave it quite a bit extra. Let's talk about it away from that shit.
It was hitting hard that day.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you heard it the whole time, right? That noise we were hearing was the bumps.
Not only hearing it, but we could feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My teeth were kind of, chapped.
I think if
Well-
it weren't on sand, it would not have been that smooth.
No.
No.
But it did handle the jump really well.
Yeah.
The jump was really smooth. I was expecting it to hit hard with the noise.
You know what? I told Josh, I said, it's like a Ranger Raptor. It needs freaking work. But it could be pretty nice.
But I will say though, I haven't taken a TRX off-road, but that felt smoother and nicer than the TRXs did. It felt like it handled better, yeah.
Yeah, less weight on the nose probably makes a difference.
Yeah.
And they've had all this time to refine it, so I think there's some of that happening too. I think NVH was better. NVH is better than the Fox Raptor. I mean the Fox Silverado that we did.
Yeah.
I think NVH was a lot better. And
The stability and everything was way better.
Suspension was on the Fox was I'd say better, but the truck overall, I think they've done some good improvements.
Yeah, I would agree. I think I was expecting it to be extremely rough, especially once we saw the course. Extremely rough, but it was more noise than what we were feeling.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Now there was that one section where it just tore us up sideways, but I think that was the roof. It was just so cut up and up there that there's nothing you could do. But that was impressive. I liked it. Would you buy one? If you had the money, would you buy one, or would you rather get a Raptor?
I would still probably get a Raptor.
Raptor with dual eyeballs.
Yeah, and I think the Bilstein suspension, that was my first experience with it. I've been wondering how it was on the TRX this whole time.
Pretty good.
It's a decent system. Not to say that the Fox on the Raptor's not up to par, but
Yeah.
I like some of the offerings that Ford is doing more than what I know about that truck. But
Yep. Where'd your dad go?
it's over there.
Oh, okay.
Feeling from the
Smoking a
forest
bit.
fire people.
Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'd still would rather do a Gen 3 because of the suspension, but I think the interior of that looks better.
I
still think it
I'm
looks
mixed
better.
on the interior. I thought it was fine. I think Ford has more handy features, and I'm talking about, whether that's the outlet locations or the desk feature in the middle, things like that. It's minor stuff.
But that looks nice. That just looks nice. Yeah, I don't know how it'll age, but it looks nice.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We're still not ready to convert, but that was impressive. That was fun.
Yeah.
And the guy sent it. I think we picked the right guy. He sent it.
Yeah. No, he's driven it that lap 100 times today, so he knows it.
I mean, we even got off course a little bit too, and he was pushing it hard,
Yeah.
dude. I think that's one of the reasons why I said, hey, fair warning, you got Raptor guys in the cab.
Yeah. Well, he had his brake zones down and his
Yeah.
landings and everything else. I mean, he was at the limit of what I think that suspension
Yeah.
wanted to do.
Oh, he definitely was.
So.
We hit past the limits a few times.
Yeah.
Scored a bunch of good stuff here, man. The grandson. His dad's a firefighter. It's all anti-fire.
All right. That was cool. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know your impressions, your thoughts on the RHO in the comments below. You Raptor guys, would you get one? Is it going to sway you or is it not? Really interested to hear your opinions. Question comes below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Copy. Helicopter coming.